What if this moment, this explosion of light, wasn't just for one Independence Day? What if we could celebrate not just freedom for one nation, but freedom for every soul, for every nation in the world? What if peace wasn't a dream, but a daily rhythm, a daily reality? What if we marked not just one day, but decades and decades of world peace Independence Days? Every day, in every way, lighting up the sky, lighting up our hearts. A celebration of unity, a celebration of compassion, of humanity, set free for powerful, impactful, loving individuals. This is the firework of a new era, and it can begin with us.